Getting started with HUSKYLENS 2. Unboxing and firmware flashing. Open the package. Inside is the packed HUSKYLENS 2. Below are the cables, a metal bracket, a power adapter board. Next is our main device, HUSKYLENS 2. This is what HUSKYLENS 2 looks like. Next, let's look at its structure. The camera is on the upper back center. On the right is an RGB light and a microphone. On both sides are LED fill lights, adjustable brightness, and switchable. On the left is the Wi-Fi cover. On the right is TF slot. At the bottom are UART I2C and the Type-C port. On the front is a touchscreen display. This button is easy to press. Use it for one-click learning. Connect HUSKYLENS to power. It starts automatically. It then enters the main interface. Select the model you want to use. Let's see what models are built in. There are face recognition, object tracking, color recognition, customs classification, gesture recognition, pose recognition, optical character recognition. Line tracking is on the next page. Tag recognition, code recognition. It also includes image acquisition, real-time image transmission. On the last page, there is MCP service and model installation. Yes, you can upload train models from your computer to enable more vision functions. Go to dfrobot.com, click Wiki. Here you can download and view detailed usage instructions. Next, let's learn how to update firmware. Find firmware update. Before updating the firmware, follow instructions in the document. Download the required files. First, download the latest HUSKYLENS 2 firmware. Click the blue link to download. Second, download the flashing tool. Choose the version based on your system. Third, download the driver installer. After downloading, extract all the files. Now let's enter the flashing process. First, install the driver. Step 1. Open Device Manager. Prepare a USB cable and HUSKYLENS 2. Connect one end to the computer. Hold the up button. Connect the other end to the HUSKYLENS 2 power port. Wait for 2 seconds. Release the button. In Device Manager, K230 will appear. This is HUSKYLENS 2 hardware name. If you don't see it here, check Other Categories to find the hardware name. For example, under USB controllers, check if K230 exists in the list. Next, install the driver. Double-click the driver installer. We install driver for K230. It will auto-select K230. Then click Install. After installation, click Close. Next, we flash the firmware. Open the flashing tool folder. Double-click the application. Click the checkbox, tick it. Then click Open. Find the IMG file downloaded earlier. Double-click to open. Select the IMG image file. Click Open. In target device, confirm it is set to eMMC. Finally, click Start. After flashing completes, unplug and restart HUSKYLENS 2. After restarting, you will see an English interface. Find System Settings, then check the device info. The system version is 1.2.1. This is the updated firmware version. Now the firmware update is complete.